Hi, I'm John with Franke Coffee Systems. Today we're going to learn how to make drinks using the Flair espresso machine. To make a latte using Flair's one-step capabilities, simply press the latte button. To make a cappuccino using Flair's one-step capability, simply press the cappuccino button. To prepare an espresso, simply press the espresso button. To prepare a cup of coffee using Flair's one-step capabilities, simply press the coffee button. Let's prepare milk for making a latte. First, add just enough milk for the drink you'd like to prepare. Place the steam wand into the milk. Press the steam button. The goal with steaming milk for lattes is to heat the milk without creating foam. To do this, we keep the steam wand submerged in the milk throughout the entire process. When you get to the desired temperature, press the steam button to stop the steam supply through the wand. Remove the pitcher from the wand and immediately wipe down the wand with a wet bar towel. And then give it a burst of steam to clean out the interior of the wand. Now we'll prepare the espresso by pressing the espresso button. We then add the milk to create our latte. Now let's foam milk for preparing a cappuccino. First, pour a small amount of milk into the bottom of the steaming pitcher. Place the wand into the pitcher and press the steam button. The goal with foaming milk is to constantly add a small amount of air to the milk by keeping the steam wand tip just under the surface of the milk. As the foam rises, I'll slowly lower the steaming pitcher to maintain that position with the wand. When I get the desired foam amount, I'll then submerge the wand to heat the remainder of the milk. Press the steam button when the desired temperature is reached. Remove the pitcher from the wand. Immediately wipe off the wand with a moistened bar towel and purge. Now we'll prepare the espresso by pressing the espresso button. I then pour the foamed milk over the espresso. When making a macchiato, I first prepare the milk, pour the milk, both steamed and foamed, into the cup. I then add a shot of espresso to the prepared milk by pressing the espresso button. Beautiful. To prepare a cup of coffee using Flair's two-step capabilities, first, fill the cup with water using the hot water button. We then move the cup under the coffee outlet and press the espresso button.